Hi everyone, we're going to solve for x and find the solution set for this equation. And the first thing we notice is they have different denominators. So in order to eliminate the fractions, I'm going to multiply each term by my least common denominator. And what all you do is you just multiply this term x by x plus 3. So let me write out the equation. You have 2 divided by x minus 3x divided by x plus 3 equals x divided by x plus 3. Now I'm going to multiply each term to clear the fractions by x times x plus 3. Multiply that term. I thought I left enough room, so let me just scoot over a little bit. X times x plus 3. And this one is x times x plus 3. And this is like at over 1 if you want. But all you have to do is cancel this out. And that clears that x out. And you get 2 times x plus 3. For this one, you're going to cancel those two out. So you get minus 3, and there's 2 x's, so that's x squared. And then these two cancel, and you get x squared. And after that, you just solve. So I'm going to subtract or add 3x squared to both sides. That cancels that. So you get 4x squared. And here I'm going to distribute. So you get 2x plus 6. Now I'm going to move these two over since we have a quadratic. And I'm going to subtract 2x and 6 from both sides. So that's going to leave 0 equals 4x squared minus 2x minus 6. Now to factor that, since they all are a multiple of 2, I'm going to factor out a 2, and I get 2x squared minus x minus 3. And then I'm going to factor that more. I have a 2x and an x, and I need a 3 and a 1. So I put the 3 there and the 1 there. We need a negative 1 here. So I'm going to make my 3 here negative and this positive. And that will give you your negative 1. Because if I do this, that's 2x minus 3x. And let's just see, 2x minus 3x. And that gives you negative x, which is what we want. So now you just set each piece to 0. So we don't care about the 2 there. So we have 2x minus 3 equals 0. And we have x plus 1 equals 0. So solving for this, you get 2x equals 3. So x equals 3 halves. And this one's going to be x equals negative 1. So your solution set is going to be negative 1, comma, 3 halves. And that would be answer 4. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.